What is going on YouTube? Applex here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Belkin Lightning to USB cable for iPod, iPhone, and iPad Air. So this MIXIT Lightning to USB cable from Belkin is going to cost you around $20 depending on what size you have. I've got the 4 feet size or the 1.2 meter length. Now, so this does work with the iPad Air, the iPad 4th gen, the iPad mini with Retina display, the iPad mini without Retina display, the iPhone 5, 5S, 5C, iPod Touch 5th gen, and iPod Nano 7th gen. The cable comes in 7 different variety of colors, including green, purple, pink, blue, red, which is the one I'll be reviewing, black, or white. You can connect the USB to any laptop or PC that has a USB 2.0 port to charge, sync music or pictures or videos from your laptop or PC. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing the Belkin Lightning to USB cable.
Logo.
So once you've just taken that sticker off, all you're going to do is just open up this and put this through, and all I do is just slide it out. Once you just open it up, all you've got is this nice little red charger. So we're just going to take off these. Now these do come under a 2-year limited warranty. So there we go, I've just unwrapped it. Now I'm just gonna see if it'll plug in. So once I've done that, I'm just gonna plug the cable into my iPad. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please leave a like, leave your comments down below, and make sure to subscribe for more content. This was Ash Parker for Applex, unboxing the Belkin MIXIT Lightning to USB cable. Peace out.